Hi guys, welcome to EaseUS channel. Have you ever encountered the dreaded iPhone unavailable message? You're not alone. Today, we'll explore what this means and how to tackle it. First, let's talk about why the iPhone is unavailable. This message usually appears when you've entered the wrong passcode multiple times. It can lead to your iPhone being temporarily locked or, in some cases, permanently unavailable. Sometimes, you might see a timer indicating how long you need to wait before trying again, such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, etc. But what if there's no timer? This could mean your iPhone is permanently locked. So, what can you do to fix the iPhone unavailable error? There are two methods. Method 1. EaseUS MobiUnlock. As an iPhone unlocking tool, EaseUS MobiUnlock can unlock iPhone without passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID. And, of course, it can fix the iPhone unavailable lock screen efficiently. Download the software on your computer and run EaseUS MobiUnlock. Select Unlock Screen Passcode and click Start to proceed. Follow the instructions to connect your iPhone and put your iPhone into recovery mode. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Connect to iTunes screen appears. Then, check your device model and click Next to download the latest firmware for it. If the firmware has been downloaded already, select the package instead. After the firmware is verified, click Unlock Now and wait for the tool to reset your device without a passcode. Once it unlocks your iPhone, you can access it without a passcode and set it up again. Method 2. iTunes. iTunes can help you regain access by updating or restoring your device. First, connect your iPhone and launch iTunes. Then, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Connect to iTunes screen. A pop-up window will appear on your computer. Choose Restore. Remember, restoring will erase all data. If you manage to get back in, remember to back up your data regularly to avoid losing important information in the future. Hope you can successfully access your iPhone right now. To prevent iPhone unavailable lock screen, here are some quick tips for you. Tip 1. Use a memorable passcode so you won't forget your password and won't run into the iPhone unavailable lock screen again. Tip 2. Enable Face ID or Touch ID for easier access. Tip 3. Regularly back up your data to iCloud or your computer so that you won't lose any essential data on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.